Hey all! Today we're exploring Comet, an AI-powered browser that makes browsing smarter and faster. Built on Chromium, it feels just like a normal browser, but adds a powerful AI sidecar that helps you do way more. For example, you can open a long coding article and say, "Hey Comet, summarize this page and highlight the key code snippets," and it will instantly pull out the most important points. You can also ask it to compare pages. Open two product pages and say, "Compare these and tell me which is faster shipping and better reviews," and Comet does it in seconds. Beyond summaries and comparisons, Comet can automate tasks like filling forms, drafting emails, or even checking shopping sites for the best deals. For instance, tell it, "Find the cheapest price for this laptop across multiple stores," and it runs automatically. On the higher max tier, the background assistant can work while you do other things. It can monitor a website for price drops, track updates on multiple pages, or run continuous research and show you a dashboard of results. Comet also keeps context across tabs and sessions, integrates Perplexity's AI search, and supports standard browser extensions. It has privacy settings so you control what the assistant can access. Basically, if you want to speed up code research, compare products, automate repetitive tasks, or monitor information online, Comet can handle it all. Try the free version, upgrade if you need background tasks, and get ready to save hours of work every week. That's Comet in action, a browser that actually works for you, not just shows you pages. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned with Code AI. Bye.